What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel once again. I have been posting, uploading like a motherfucker, but you know, it's what I love to do, so I'm just gonna keep on doing it. But today's video, I'm just going to be creating an eye look using the Beaute palette. This actually came from my BoxyCharm, and I really haven't fooled around with it much, so we're gonna create something using this palette. So let's just hop on into it. Alright, so for foundation today, I haven't been using it too much, and I don't even know why. I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Matte HD High Definition Long Wear Matte Foundation. That's a lot. I'm gonna squirt some up on my hand, and you already know I'm gonna dot it all over my face and blend it from there. I think it was something that I really didn't like. I wasn't sure of about this foundation because I think it had like a really strong like yellow undertone on me, but then afterwards it looked pretty cool. I don't know, sounding weird, but that's what I'm gonna use today, because I mean, it's just sitting here collecting dust, so why not?
Alright, so foundation's running out. Got the contour going on. Now I need to find my damn Morphe sponge. And I blend this shit all out. You tell me you love me, but I ain't been feeling it lately. You say you keeping me flat, but can't keep me from looking so crazy. Coming at 6 in the morning, why you been waiting? Who is that texting your phone? Just a friend, just a friend. Okay, I need to stop. That's just my song, girl. I love that damn song. I love Queen Nature.
Alright, so we got brows done, bronzer on, blush on, everything. Now, let's get into the eyes. My ass added some white liner and I didn't record because I thought I was gonna fuck up, but now we're gonna continue. Now I kind of got to feel how to do it, so next time I'll show you guys. Okay, we're gonna add some glitter, of course. We're gonna add that on the top of the white liner. Just put as much as we can. Like so. Okay, we got the lashes on, we got the bottom blended out, you know. Now I got one more a little surprise. I'm gonna be taking this palette right here and I'm gonna take this and you finna see what I'm gonna do just to kind of add a little more, you know, boom to it.
Mommy, say take this.
I'm just gonna kind of like
Mommy, say take this.
blend it in a little bit.
Daddy, take this. Mama, say vámonos.
Like so. Gotta have a little bit of blue. Last but not least, we need to add some highlighter. I'm really liking how this look turned out. It looks so fucking cute. I'm gonna take the Cover FX drops because I think it's really appropriate for, you know, the season and, you know, just the look overall. I'm just gonna dab some right here with my finger, and then I'm gonna take a beauty sponge and like blend it on out. Now I'm going to take the sponge. Look at that. It just pulls together like so beautifully. Alright, now for lips, we're going to finish this look off with the Hank and Henry right here. And
Mommy.
wow, okay. Now we need to set this beautiful face. I'm just going to take the Tarte spray right here.
Go. Let's go. Mommy. I won't take this. I won't take this, Mommy.
Now I'm going to do something to my hair
I'll
real
take-
quick, and we're going to take our final
Oh,
look at this look.
toes.
Alright, you guys. Well, this is the finished look. Let's just take a look at them eyes. So cute with the blue added on. Very cute. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up as well. We are on the road to 100 subscribers, and you already know with that, I am doing a big ass giveaway, so y'all do not want to miss out on that. And with that being said, let's get one more look. Alright, you guys, I am done, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, loves. Mwah.